Contract lifecycle management software versus external contract lawyers. Which one is better for high-volume businesses? Most companies get this wrong. They assume the high-volume contract work always requires external lawyers. The surprising truth is that contract lifecycle management software can handle repetitive tasks faster and more efficiently, freeing lawyers for strategic review. External contract lawyers provide expertise for drafting, negotiating, and reviewing contracts. They are ideal for complex agreements, unusual causes, or high-risk deals. For example, a business entering a cross-border licensing agreement will benefit from a lawyer's detailed analysis of compliance and liability issues. However, hiring lawyers for hundreds of routine contracts can be costly and slow. Helm software automates workflows, contract creation, approvals, renewals, and tracking. High-volume businesses like SaaS companies or global distributors can generate standard contracts automatically, enforce approval hierarchies, and flag deadlines without manual intervention. Some systems integrate with e-signature and compliance tools, reducing errors and administrative overhead. For instance, a company processing thousands of does annually can save weeks of staff time and thousands of dollars by using a CUM system. The key difference is automation versus human expertise. CUM software excels at repetitive, high-volume tasks, while external lawyers are essential for strategic, high-risk contracts. Many organizations adopt a hybrid approach. Software handles routine contracts efficiently, while lawyers focus on complex agreements that require judgment, negotiation, and risk management. The takeaway is simple: using CUM software for high-volume contract processes reduces costs, speeds up workflows, and maintains compliance. The surprising truth is that combining software with expert legal review creates the most scalable, accurate, and cost-effective contract management system. For businesses dealing with hundreds or thousands of contracts, understanding the balance between technology and external expertise ensures efficiency, risk mitigation, and smarter resource allocation.